Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling or disabling game mode on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Game mode optimizes your PC, allowing your games to run better. Here is how to turn it on or off. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom. Search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Gaming. In Gaming Settings, select Game Mode. Here you'll see the option to turn game mode on or off using the toggle. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.